You drinking from the hose, Kit Kat?
I need to drink from the hose.
Grace, let
her do it for a minute, and then you can do it.
Don't have to catch.
And then we'll get a video of you. You gonna take a drink, Kit Kat?
Are you done drinking from the hose? Can Sissy have a turn, Kat, or you want to take one more turn? I think. Get the hose out of your face. Okay, Grace, you take a turn.
I'll just did it too.
Go ahead, Grace. She's handing it to you.
There you go.
Yummy, I need tissues.
Cat, don't drink the water in the pool.
If
You're not a dog.
If you want to drink, Kat, take it from the hose. Well, yeah, silly.
Yeah, silly.
Do you want me to bring your cup outside?
I'll go get her cup.
Here you go again. Cat. Why do you take straight? I think you're as high as you can go, Grace. I'm gonna go sit on the... Oh, she was getting her feet all wet. That's why she was trying to brush it away. And she's playing on her phone. Always playing on her phone.
You're always playing games on your phone.